Skip manual selection feature is really helpful for different occasional campaign. Suppose you want to skip individual product recommendations. What I mean by that is, if I open any product and scroll down, you can see that I have recommended product specifically for this product. But if I want to ignore these settings, then what I have to do is simply click on this skip, just check the skip box and click on save settings. And let's go to the front end of this product. You can see that this is the front end of this product. Let's click on add to cart before reloading the page. Okay. And you can see that this is recommending products individually. But if I reload the page and from here click on add to cart, and you can see that what this is doing is skipping the individual product recommendations, and this is following the global product recommendations. And I hope that you have understand the benefits of skip manual selection features in Leo product recommendations.